Merhaba, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we uncover the hidden stories behind some of the world's most beloved dishes. Today, we're diving into the heartwarming world of Turkish cuisine, and more specifically, the delightful Turkish Mercimek Çorbası. This seemingly simple lentil soup is a staple in Turkish households, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the history, preparation, and lesser-known facts about Mercimek Çorbası that will leave you craving for a bowl. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the origins of Mercimek Çorbası. This hearty soup has a rich history dating back centuries. It's believed to have been consumed as early as the Ottoman Empire, making it a time-tested favorite. The Ottoman Empire, known for its culinary prowess, introduced this soup to various regions, each of which added its unique twist. As the Ottoman Empire expanded, so did the popularity of this humble soup. It eventually became a symbol of comfort and hospitality in Turkish culture. But did you know that Mercimek Çorbası has cultural significance beyond just being delicious? Mercimek Çorbası is not just a soup, it's a symbol of generosity and kindness in Turkish culture. It's often served to guests as a welcoming gesture, and it's also prepared and distributed during charitable events. This practice highlights the strong sense of community and hospitality that's deeply ingrained in Turkish society. Beyond its cultural significance, Mercimek Çorbası is also known for its incredible nutritional value. The main ingredient, lentils, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. It's a perfect choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the recipe. Making Mercimek Çorbası is relatively simple, and the ingredients are readily available in most kitchens. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. To make a classic Turkish Mercimek Çorbası, you'll need red lentils, onions, carrots, butter or olive oil, tomato paste, ground cumin, paprika, salt, pepper, and water. The exact measurements and variations may vary, but this is a solid foundation. Sauté the onions, carrots, and spices in butter or olive oil. Then, add the lentils and tomato paste. Pour in water and let it simmer until everything is tender. Finally, blend it to achieve that silky smooth consistency. Don't forget to garnish with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of red pepper flakes for that extra kick. Mercimek Çorbası may be a beloved Turkish dish, but like many classics, it has regional variations. Different regions in Turkey have put their own spin on this soup, incorporating local ingredients and flavors. For instance, in the southeastern region of Gaziantep, you'll find a spicier version of Mercimek Çorbası with the addition of Aleppo pepper. On the Aegean coast, they might add fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Exploring these regional variations is like taking a culinary journey through Turkey. Mercimek Çorbası's influence isn't confined to Turkey alone. This delicious soup has traveled the globe, and you can find variations of it in many countries. In fact, lentil soup is a staple in Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisines. Whether it's the Egyptian shorbat adash, the Lebanese adash bil hamad, or the Indian masoor dal, lentil-based soups have found their way into the hearts and kitchens of people worldwide. It's a testament to the versatility and appeal of this simple yet satisfying dish. Now, let's talk about the incredible health benefits of Mercimek Çorbası. Aside from being a great source of plant-based protein, it's also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness. The vitamins and minerals in lentils contribute to overall well-being. Moreover, studies have shown that consuming lentils regularly can help lower cholesterol, reduce the risk of heart disease, and manage blood sugar levels. So, not only does it taste amazing, but it's also incredibly good for you. Another interesting aspect of Mercimek Çorbası is the serving traditions. It's often served with a squeeze of lemon and a dollop of yogurt, which enhances the flavors and adds a creamy tanginess. This combination is a match made in culinary heaven. Additionally, it's customary to enjoy this soup with a side of fresh bread, such as pita or simit. The warm, crusty bread complements the soup perfectly and makes for a wholesome meal. And there you have it, our deep dive into the world of Turkish Mercimek Çorbası. From its historical roots to its regional variations and health benefits, there's so much more to this beloved soup than meets the eye. Whether you're savoring it in a bustling Turkish bazaar, at a cozy family dinner, or in the comfort of your own home, Mercimek Çorbasi is more than just a meal. It's a taste of Turkish culture and tradition. If you enjoyed learning about Mercimek Çorbasi and want to see more culinary adventures like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious episode. Until next time, Afiyet olsun.